Hi there, students. A blotch, a noun. Blotchy, an adjective. Okay, a blotch is a mark on something, but an irregular shape, like a spot, but irregular. So, you could have blotches on your skin, yeah? He's got purple blotches all over his face. Okay, and that is a blotch. There were blotches. There were red blotches on his arm from the stinging nettles. Okay, so it's like a discoloration, a discolored mark. Yeah, it's irregular. I think normally a spot, when I first hear the word spot, I think of something round. Yeah, but a blotch, this is an irregular shape, a splodge, a splotch. Yeah, it's like a patch of something. Yeah, marked with a discoloration. I guess you could blotch something as a verb, to put blotches on it. Yeah, so a discolored spot or a skin blemish. Yeah, there were blotches of gelatine on the floor. Okay, so just an irregular shaped area, an irregularly shaped area of colour. Yeah, something that's marked or marred with blotches. Notice a blotch as well implies that something bad has happened to it. A blotch is not normally very positive. Yeah. When I was at school, I always used to have to write with a fountain pen, a pen with real ink. And there were always blotches of ink everywhere. And then I used to get into trouble with that. So, like dappled with flecks of, with splotches of. Yeah, it was stippled. I guess you could put blotches of blue on a white wall to give a paint effect. But so, to blotch or blotch, it's marred. It's not as good as it really should be. Notice as well, to blotch is a regular verb, so the beautiful carpet was blotched with rust stains. Yeah, it has been blotched, but I think mostly blotch as a noun, or blotchy. There were blotchy patches of grey on the beautiful paintwork of the car. Yeah, so maybe it had been spoiled a little bit. Yeah, I think blotch can also be types of plant disease that tend to cause blotches or spots on the area. Yeah, so blotchy, covered in blotches. So I guess that's probably about it. Yeah, we need a formality and an origin as well. Let's see, I think it probably comes from blot and botch. Yeah, those two words, to blotch. A blot, a mark, and to botch, to mess up. And let's see, a blotch. I'd probably give this a 5 in formality. I think this is a word that you could use just about anywhere. Yeah, so a blotch. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Blotch.